What is making that sound? They chemtrailed really heavy today. Started way early. You'd think it would be a plane, right? Kind of sounds like one. A sick one, maybe. Yeah, there's nothing up there. What is, you can't see. Hello, but